Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. So, including vegetables in my family's meals is the best way to make sure that they get all the nutrients that they require, which is why I decided to try out this innovative recipe called Cabbage Cups. Sounds cool, right? A very underestimated but highly nutritious and versatile veggie. Cabbage is actually low in calories, high in fiber and loaded with vitamins and minerals. तो चलिए बनाते हैं हमारे creamy cabbage cups. So we put around 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Two tablespoons of cream cheese. We add some quarter spoon of cayenne pepper, 1 finely chopped spring onion, for red capsicum, small sprig of the spring onion, the top, half a cup of corn, some coriander, 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, 4-5 chopped olives, some salt, I'm using whole wheat pasta because I prefer it to macaroni, and mix it all in. Just looks so pretty and colorful. Now you get your cabbage cups. We've just blanched them slightly. Just wipe off the excess water. Add a few pine nuts. They're toasted, so you get a crunch. Top it up with some flax seeds. Again, roasted. Don't these look just perfect? And how quick was that? With just the right amount of nutrients and the perfect tingle to our taste buds. These cabbage cups actually double up as a perfect entree or even as an evening snack. So please go ahead and try them out और मुझे बताइए कि कैसे लगे आपको ये creamy cabbage cups. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay? तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.